And welcome to Minecraft. My name is Stacy, and today I want to talk to you about problems. There's two types of problems that we have, and my objective is to help you understand which problem, which kind of problem, which type of problem are you dealing with. The first problem is a technical problem. A technical problem is I simply don't know what to do in order to solve my problem. I simply don't know how to go about it. I don't know the process. I don't know the information, the data, the knowledge in order to solve my problem. That technical problem requires a certain type of response. The other problem that we may have is a conceptual problem. A conceptual problem is that I know how to resolve my problem, but for some reason, I don't do it. Has anybody ever had that experience? You know how to solve your problem, but for some reason you don't do it. Ask yourself right now, why don't I solve the problems that I know how to fix? Think about that question. Why don't I solve the problem and I already know the answer and how to fix it? Why don't I attack and get it done? That is because on the conceptual side of things, we have an emotional problem. We have an inner issue to deal with. We may need strength. We may need faith. We may need confidence. We may need some level of decisiveness. We may be dealing with laziness and apathy and fearfulness or confusion. But the point I want to make here is that when you have a conceptual problem, you need spiritual development. And the spiritual development that I've been recommending throughout all the Minecraft programs is talking to one's self, speaking out loud what you expect to receive or to happen or to achieve. So for example, if I have a conceptual problem, I might ask the universe for strength. I might ask for faith to overcome this problem. I might ask for a sense of decisiveness to overcome this problem. Notice that these things, strength, faith, confidence, decisiveness, are not tangible. They're spiritual. And that means they already exist in full measure. There is enough strength for you to get over your hurdle, but now you got to go and gather up the strength. The strength will be gathered up through spiritual knowledge and spiritual understanding. And when I speak problem resolved, when I speak strength, when I speak faith, when I speak confidence, when I speak decisiveness, when I speak overcoming fear, I'm beginning to move those spiritual things away from me. That's what this whole talk is about. It's about how I can use my word to change my own mind so that I can achieve more in life. So once again, two problems. Technical problem, it's pretty easy. I don't know how to solve my problem. I need intelligence. I need someone to help me. I need to go and research and seek answers. But the conceptual problem is an inner problem. I need to improve my spirit. I need to improve my sense of strength, security, confidence, sometimes even love of self before I can go and attack. There's only two kinds of problems: technical problem, conceptual problem. Ask yourself, which one do you have in your particular situation? Which one is hindering you from accomplishing your goal? I want you to think about that the rest of the day. Make sure that you answer the question, because if it's conceptual, you got inner work to do. If it's technical, you got outer work to do. Just another wise idea on how to understand the problems that you're facing. My name is Stacy. This is Minecraft, and I got a lot more to share on this subject.